So, hello guys, in today's video we'll be discussing a most basic doubt question for beginners. Which programming language should you learn first and why? So, let's start the topic. Choosing which programming language to learn first can be overwhelming because there are many options available, each with its own unique features and benefits. However, some programming languages are easier to learn than others, and they offer a solid foundation for learning more complex languages in the future. Here are some recommendations for which programming language you should learn first and why. Python. Python is a popular choice for beginners because it's easy to learn and has a straightforward syntax. Python is a high-level language, meaning it's designed to be easily readable by humans, which makes it an excellent choice for those who are new to programming. Python is also widely used in the industry, particularly in data science and machine learning, so it's a valuable skill to have. Additionally, Python has a vast and active community, which means there are many resources available to help you learn and grow. JavaScript. JavaScript is another popular choice for beginners because it's widely used in web development. JavaScript is used to create interactive websites and web applications, making it a valuable skill in today's digital age. JavaScript has a relatively simple syntax, and it's easy to get started with. Additionally, JavaScript has a wide range of frameworks and libraries that can make development even easier. Ruby. Ruby is a popular choice for beginners because it's easy to learn and has a clean syntax. Ruby is a high-level language, similar to Python, and it's designed to be easy to read and write. Ruby is used in web development, particularly with the Ruby on Rails framework, which makes it an excellent choice for those interested in creating web applications. Additionally, Ruby has a vast and supportive community, making it easy to find help and resources. Java. Java is a popular choice for beginners because it's widely used in the industry and has a strong object-oriented programming (OOP) foundation. Java is used for developing desktop and mobile applications, as well as enterprise-level applications, making it a valuable skill in today's job market. While Java has a steeper learning curve than some of the other languages on this list, it's an excellent choice for those interested in software engineering or enterprise development. In summary, each programming language has its unique features and benefits, but some are better suited for beginners than others. Python, JavaScript, Ruby, and Java are all excellent choices for beginners, depending on your interests and career goals. Ultimately, the most important thing is to choose a language that you enjoy and that you're motivated to learn, as this will make the learning process more enjoyable and rewarding.